say that veterans and others, especially veterans, because they're used to the support being provided for them, they should check up before they do these horrible things to people and put them in even more trouble instead of that wonderful charity you were talking to a minute ago.
Yes.
Sometimes charities are, I took a lot of interest in Social Bite, which deals with veterans and also deals with other homeless people, and St Mungo's in London, where a friend of mine was taken off a park bench because he fell out with his family and he was on his own. He was only 18, and he was taken in and he's now being trained in two trades. One trade tiling and the other one he's doing the second one now, which is plumbing. It takes people, doesn't just provide accommodation, actually you need services like that provide backup services to get people back on their feet again. And the first thing they provide is reasonable housing, designed by architects who can put a large amount in a small space. And they're doing wonderful work. And the Scottish Government have given them $6.5 million. The Social Bite section of it, given them $6.5 million to try and take people off the streets, because the first thing they do is provide a roof and warm house over their head, so they can actually then
file protected.
Absolutely great work, Ben. Thank you very much indeed for that. Coming up in the next hour, we've been talking about caring for humans. We're going to talk about animals as well now. Pets, the responsibility of being a pet owner, looking after your dog, and how important animals can be at Christmas as well. In particular, we're going to talk to Battersea, and we're also going to look
so that barn owl gets that rat.